What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing another Starbucks video for you guys today. So I'm so excited for today's video. I was scrolling through Facebook, laying in bed, just chilling, minding my own business, and then this drink popped up and I was so excited. So if you guys don't know, Easter is close, or getting closer. It is March, almost mid-March actually. And April is just around the corner, so Easter is right around the corner, as I'm going to say. So I'm going to be trying an Easter drink for you. So this is the Cadbury egg Frappuccino. I saw it and I was like, I have to try it. I haven't had a Cadbury egg in quite some time, but I think I still have it in my memory. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's try the drink.
Hey, welcome to Starbucks. My name is Jonathan. For you today.
Hey, can I get a tall Java chip Frappuccino?
Definitely a tall Java chip Frappuccino. What else for you today?
Can I add 1 pump of vanilla in there?
Add 1 pump of vanilla, definitely.
Half a pump of caramel.
Okay, half a pump of caramel.
And then just 2 scoops of vanilla bean powder, if that's okay?
567 and 4,000.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. Okay guys, so I have the Cadbury egg Frappuccino here. It actually smells really good. Like, I smell it from here, so like that's good. That's a good sign. But it's a tall and it was $5.61. Let me repeat that. $5.61 for this little thing. So all I gotta say is it better be good. We'll see. I haven't had a Cadbury egg in a while, so I will say that. It's been a hot minute since I had one, but I'm excited to try it just because like I love trying new drinks. So we're gonna go ahead and hope for the best. That's really good, but the Java chips. I think I should have put another pump of caramel in there, and then it would have been like spot on. So the recipe I got was a tall Java chip Frappuccino with 1 pump of vanilla, half a pump of caramel, and 2 scoops of vanilla bean powder in here. So if you're getting it, I would say instead of half a pump, get a full pump of caramel, because I feel like that would just give it that extra like oomph in there. But other than that, it is like so good. She was driving with like going like this, driving. That's not the smartest idea, honey. But I totally recommend this. I think it is so good. Out of a 10, I would give it like a 9 out of 10. It is so good. But if it had that extra half a pump, it would have been a 10. That's all I gotta say. But I say you should definitely go try it, because it does not disappoint. It is pricey though. That's the only thing. So if you don't want to spend $5.61 on it, I personally wouldn't. I won't be getting it again. I won't be getting it again because of the price. I'd rather get like one of my other drinks that's like cheaper, you know. But if you do want to try it and you like Cadbury eggs, this is the drink for you. Definitely go try it out. I think it is a pretty good one. It's one of the better ones that we've tried on the channel so far, so that is good. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below any Frappuccinos or Starbucks drinks you guys want me to try. I'm always looking for new ones to try. I always find them on Facebook, or I don't know, I Google like secret menu recipes, and like sometimes they just pop up on my Facebook all the time, or like Starbucks comes out with new drinks, and that's some of the other drinks that I try. So definitely give me recommendations on drinks you want me to try, or like if you want me to make up a Frappuccino for like a certain thing, or like something, definitely tell me, because I would love to. That would be so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.